Hello students, are you ready for the dictation? Start. The Aam Aadmi Party continues to intrigue its supporters and opponents alike, but one aspect that has now become predictable about its leader, Arvind Kejriwal, is his infinite capacity to create a spectacle. In the latest development, Mr. Kejriwal has resigned from the post of Delhi Chief Minister, choosing AAP Minister Atishi as his replacement. Ms. Atishi has been handling a heavy basket of portfolios during Mr. Kejriwal's long imprisonment on corruption charges. Mr. Kejriwal remained the chief minister during his incarceration, setting a new precedent and reinforcing his aura of defiance, but resigned after securing bail from the Supreme Court. Mr. Kejriwal had been cornered by central agencies on the grounds of investigating corruption and that the court has frowned upon. With his sudden move, and at a time of his choosing, Mr. Kejriwal is now trying to reset the course of politics in Delhi and beyond and turn the tables on the Bharatiya Janata Party. In Delhi, the BJP has swept the last three Lok Sabha elections, while AAP has won nearly all seats into assembly elections, indicating an overlapping political base that swings between the two parties. AAP has metamorphosed into a political party from being an anti-corruption campaign, and the BJP hopes to slow it down in the election on grounds of its involvement in a serious corruption case. Para change. Mr. Kejriwal's claim to be incorruptible is what has helped his dramatic rise in politics, but he also realizes that votes are influenced more by delivery of affordable or free services. The BJP's strategy for Delhi involves undermining AAP's anti-corruption claims and restricting its government's capacity to deliver the slew of welfare schemes that it runs. Mr. Kejriwal's bail conditions limit his powers, and a fully empowered chief minister could mobilize a welfare crescendo ahead of the election due in February. AAP also wants to advance the election and club it with the Maharashtra poll in November. As a stand-alone election, the BJP can give its undivided attention to Delhi, a situation that AAP wants to avoid. Ms. Atishi, Delhi's third woman chief minister, has her own standing as an administrator, but has chosen to play second fiddle to her leader by declaring that she would be just a placeholder until the party wins and Mr. Kejriwal returns. Mr. Kejriwal, meanwhile, has bigger plans to play a national role and climb up as the leader in what is now a crowded opposition camp. Thank you, students. Over.